This vehicle just left our reconditioning shop with. Navigate through all the icky weather with ease in this AWD-equipped Fusion, and even get non-stop traction for your non-stop lifestyle. In addition to the amazing traction control, you may even qualify for an insurance reduction with this AWD vehicle. A Ford with as few miles as this one is a rare find. This Fusion 4 Dr. SDN V6 SEL AWD was gently driven, and it shows. The look is unmistakably Ford. The smooth contours and cutting-edge technology of this Fusion 4 Dr. SDN V6 SEL AWD will definitely turn heads. More information about the 2007 Ford Fusion. The 2007 Ford Fusion has been engineered to feel sportier than its mid-size competitors, and now that all-wheel drive is available, traction and handling have become greatly improved. Smart styling helps the Fusion stand out in a traditionally boring segment. Ford's 3.0L Duratec V6 engine is available with AWD and is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It produces 221 horsepower and 200 pounds-ft of torque, and has an EPA rating of 31 mpg on the highway. This model sets itself apart with 31 Hui mpg, available all-wheel drive, and 6-speed automatic transmission available. Hertrick Ford of Easton is the only place for you to purchase your next vehicle. Pick up the phone and call us at 410-822-2900.